apulan sa farm ko, charot. Ang dami na namang apple na huhulog, pero wala na kaming makuha guys, empty na, sa taas na lang oh. Pero yung sa taas na yan, hindi na makukuha kaya nasira. Pero ang daming nahuhulog dito, look. B, doon sila oh, parang may nakuha sila sa mahulog. O diba ang dami doon guys kung nahuhulog. Oh, pabayaan lang yan nila. Sayang ang deer. Hindi makapasok ang deer. Alam nyo bakit? May fence oh. May fence dito. Kaluka. Tignan mo yan.
Tignan mo guys, oh.
Ang dami. Look oh. November na. Wala nang bunga yung apple. Pero sa ilalim ang dami nahuhulog. So, tignan natin dito. Baka meron pa. Tara. Punta tayo doon. Ang ganda ng apple. Ang ganda ng dahon. Eh. Tara. Yun guys, kain tayo ng apple. Andito na naman kami sa I think ano to, oh, tingnan niyo oh. Dito tayo, kunin natin and then kainin. Look. Hey, pinahid mo? Guys, oh. Fuji ata ito be?
Crispy ano ba yun?
Fuji. Marami ito sa Pilipinas.
Kain muna tayo para may glubok ako doon. Hindi ako kumain kanina.
Pinahiran mo?
Oh, ito lang yung ganyan.
Tignan mo. Pinakain ko kanina ng bread. Ayaw kumain. Marami akong bread doon.
Nagkape lang ako.
Ang sarap.
Lasa-lasa.
Fuji man, maraming Fuji sa atin. At saka yung wala ng lasa, parang nawala na yung tamis. So yun. Anyway guys, nahuhulog na yun. Ang daming apple. Ang laki ng mukha ko. But anyway, okay lang yan malaki, basta happy. Ang dami nang nahuhulog. Sana hindi ako mahulugan. Ang dami kasing nahuhulog na apple dito dahil sa hangin. Diba? Be, wag kang pupunta sa ilalim ha. Ang dami na kasing nahulog. Baka maano pa yung headache mo. Hangin na kasi, grabe oh. Hulog na yung hala. Tingin natin. May mahuhulog na naman dito. Sige na, magdala na tayo, be.
Pili na tayo. Pili ka ng dalawa, pili ako ng tatlo.
Okay, dalawa. Hindi man ako maka-reach, be, kasi sobrang short ko. Dito oh, may malaki dito, be, oh. Gusto mo? At saka hindi pa siya sobrang ripe. Kasi pag sobrang ripe, madali na yung masira.
Saan ba?
Merong
Hindi ko man din ma-reach yun.
nandun oh.
Hindi ko rin ma-reach yun.
Nasayang lang talaga itong mga apple na to. Bakit may brown doon, be? May green. Ano yun, be? Hala, orange. Sobrang ano na, pulang-pula. Parang dugo ni Brenda. My husband was home. What time was it? A little bit. 11:30. And now what time is it now? 4 o'clock. And it's ready to run again. Ready to run.
Guys, rocks, seriously.
Is it icy outside, right?
It's rainy and slushy.
Yeah, it's slushy, guys. It's dangerous dahil wala pang sasakyan sa labas. And everybody's watching Tamimoy because
They all want something.
gusto nila ng pagkain
And I
Roxy.
gave them something before I even started. But it don't matter to them. They want anyway. And big eyes.
Oh, even Hub is still there?
Yeah, they're both here too somewhere.
Oh my goodness, Hubs.
He's not gonna go anywhere. What makes you think he's gonna leave or something?
Huh?
What makes you think he's not gonna stay there?
It's cold outside, honey.
It's okay.
We really need to put a
Spikes in the ground.
snow marker, hon.
Yep. I said that before. No. Now it's like, because what happens when the cold comes, it comes quick.
It is.
Then the ground's hard, then it's a pain in the neck.
I really thought it's not gonna snow yet. Gumawa lang siya ng sandwich niya, guys, dalhin niya sa trabaho. Yeah, Mrs. making noises.
I know. Oh, I knew that was coming. Oh, God.
You make noise, monkey. You make noisy.
I give her something that's like from my hand. She's like I'm trying to poison her, but just give her cold cuts. Forget it.
They love old cold cuts, honey. All of them.
Really good.
Even your other daughter is right there. Look,
Yeah,
Roxy.
Oh, Rocky, she's been like just wiggly.
What, Erin?
She wiggles. She's like,
Do you need Ziploc?
I got little Ziplocs over there.
Look at your son. Always follow you.
Yeah.
You, my little boy.
He said she get no peace until I get a piece.
You have to behave. Be a good boy, little man. Dimples right here, too.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody's watching Dada. Oh, my goodness. Hobbs, be nice.
He said, no, he's putting stuff in bags. That's the wrong thing to be doing.
Be nice, little man. Ay, nako. Be nice.
I'm gonna climb up on you in 1 minute. You don't like start giving me something.
You know, I cut his nails because
Because they're
he's
sharp.
always jump on you and he might hurt you.
Yeah.
Nako talaga.
I'll wait till you get the noise out of the other one now.
They're very spoiled. She's coming. Where's Rocks?
It's right here. Last. We're done here.
This.
Misty, I said last. That was it. See, Roxy knows. Now she's gonna go see if she can get the cats.
You guys are funny.
Well, you're too late. The cat's finished. Yeah, that's small.
Roxy, leave your brother alone. Oh my God, you have to share. Roxy, look at him. Roxy!
You know that's not his. He said, well, it wasn't his either. You don't stop him.
No, he deserves that.
He deserves a smack in the head.
He's a cat.
There was a tie for this or somewhere. Staring.
Still following you. He's behind you.
Ito lang yung umaga namin guys bago umalis si Mister. Buti na lang nagising ako para may company siya bago alis ng bahay.
Ay nagtatanong lang sa ating comment section, bakit daw yung ibang Pilipina nakikita nila lalaking bahay pero hindi daw nila nakikita ang gumagawa ng gawaing bahay. So may iba-iba kasing klase yung tao guys, okay? Ako po, unahin ko na po yung sarili ko ha. Kasi po, nagbablog po ako. So, nakikita ninyo. At isa pa, magkaiba-iba. Iba-iba po yung buhay namin dito. At isa pa doon, sa akin lang naman, property ko ito, okay? Bahay ko, property ko, investment po namin ito ng asawa ko. So, kailangan naming alagaan. Kung hindi po ako yung gagawa, wala pong mangyari guys. Papangit at papangit yung property natin. So, kailangan kapag yung responsibilidad, so yun yung ibig kong sabihin po. At hindi lang po dyan, sanay po ako sa trabaho, mahirap man yan, yun, sanay po talaga ako sa hirapang trabaho. Hindi man ito mahirap, simple na gawain lang ito pag-alaga sa
property po ninyo. Yung ibang tao kasi dito guys, iba-iba tayo, di ba? Iba-iba. May ibang tao na hindi sanay sa gawaing bahay, hindi sanay sa trabahong mga ganito sa labas. Yung mga ganitong klaseng trabaho na ginagawa ko, hindi po. Kasi yung asawa nila yung gumawa. And or nag-hire sila ng gardener. Or yun, or hindi lang talaga natin nakikitang naglilinis sila sa loob ng bahay kasi nga hindi naman lahat ipopost nila. At ako, ginagawa ko to dahil nga ito yun na yung ginagawa ko. Nagbablog ako at nakikita talaga nyo. Kung hindi po ako nagbablog guys, hindi po ninyo ito nakikita, okay? So yun lang, isang content na yung mga gawain ko sa bahay, gawain ko sa labas ng bahay, naging content ko na yun. So yun. Or may ibang diritsahang salita, maarte. So yun. In short, magkaiba po talaga yung gusto na. Magkaiba yung buhay namin. So yun lang. Nakikita ninyo akong paligoy-ligoy sa labas ng bahay, linis dito, linis doon, sa loob, ganon. At saka yun, pasalamat naman din ako guys. Kasi guys, kahit papaano, itong property namin is okay naman alagaan. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Malaki lang yung lupa, pero yun, ang pinakamahirap lang talaga mag-alaga dito is pag summer. Kasi summer, once a week, kailangan mong lumabas para ikat yung damo. And yun, masaya naman guys. After cutting the grass guys, it's worth it talaga. Pero kapag mag-start ka pa ng mag-cut, ang hirap. Saka nakakapagod tignan. Pero worth it naman. Snow na guys pala oh. Snow na. Enjoy sa snow guys. Ang ganda. Puputi-puti. First snow pala ito ng ating winter. Ito yung pinaka-first na snow sa atin this year, okay? Sa winter season. Dito lang muna tayo guys. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kita-kits tayo next time. At saka yun na nasagot ko na yung nagtatanong. Thank you. Bye!